Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we will be discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of pilot training in India and abroad. Let's get started. Advantages of pilot training in India. The first one is cost effectiveness. Training in India can be more affordable compared to many Western countries, making it an attractive option for those seeking quality education at a lower cost. Diverse weather conditions. India's diverse climate allows trainee pilots to experience a wide range of weather conditions during their training, which can better prepare them for a real-world scenario. Training in your home country helps you understand the local culture, aviation regulations, and operational practices, which can easily transition into your aviation career. Studying in your native language can simplify communication with instructors, staff, and fellow students, enhancing the learning experience. Let's talk about the disadvantages of pilot training in India. While improving, some pilot training institutions in India may have limited access to the state-of-the-art training facilities, advanced simulators, and modern aircrafts. Navigating through the regulatory processes can be complex and time-consuming in India, which might cause delays in obtaining licenses and approvals. Now let's talk about the advantages of training abroad. International training exposes you to different aviation regulations, flying conditions, and cultural perspectives, broadening your skills and adaptability. Many aviation schools abroad are equipped with latest simulators, aircraft, and technologies, providing a cutting-edge training experience. Some flight training academies abroad have partnerships with international airlines, increasing your chances of getting hired directly after training. Let's come to the disadvantages of pilot training abroad. Training abroad can be more expensive due to tuition fee, living expenses, and currency exchange rates. However, this investment might yield higher job opportunities in the long run. Moving to a new country for training requires adapting to different culture, which might pose challenges for some individuals. Also, if the training is conducted in a foreign language, language proficiency might be necessary for effective communication. The future of pilot training will likely involve the integration of emerging technologies such as more advanced flight simulators, virtual reality training, and automation systems. Additionally, environmental concerns may lead to a greater emphasis on sustainable aviation practices, which could influence pilot training curricula. The pilot training in India and abroad have their advantages and disadvantages. Aspiring pilots should consider their personal preferences, financial circumstances, and career goals when making this decision. The scope of pilot training remains promising with a range of opportunities awaiting those who embark on this exciting career path.